I'm Ron Belknap, the president and CEO of ProtoCAM, located in Allentown, Pennsylvania. I'd like to wish everybody a happy holidays, and I hope you all spend time enjoying this holiday season. I myself will be spending Christmas with my family, which includes watching my grandkids open up their gifts and having several family meals together. This season is a great time to celebrate the reason of the season and spend quality time with your family. We here at ProtoCAM look forward to continue providing all of our customers first-class service and demonstrate the ProtoCAM distinction throughout 2021 and beyond. So again, I hope you all enjoy your holidays.
Now let's find out how the rest of the ProtoCAM team is celebrating distinctively this year while we're all kind of stuck at home.
With uncertainty whether we can get together at Christmas, we're doing a distinctive family ski trip indoors. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Big air time for Jill. Woohoo, Justice!
Hi, we're here together to wish everybody a safe and wonderful holiday season.
This year, as we celebrate the holidays, we hope that it's similar to last year.
Of course, smaller gatherings.
We'll still send out our Christmas cards.
And we'll still bake our cookies.
We'll do more shopping online.
And then we have to wrap those gifts.
We'll be decorating our trees and our homes as usual.
And so we hope that everybody stays healthy and enjoys their holiday season.
Merry Christmas!
Hi, everybody. I'm all bundled up for the holiday season. Things are going to be different this year. COVID-19 has seen to that. Our normal family traditions will be altered, but I'll count on some of my favorite things to see us through. Christmas music starting on Black Friday, Hallmark Christmas movie, decorating the house, family tree decorating night, celebrating Hanukkah. Yep, we do both. Eating more baked goods than I should, lots of fires in the fireplace, plenty of football, I hope, and just reveling in the spirit of the season. From our house to your house, we wish you all the best for a happy holiday and a safe and healthy prosperous new year.
This season we spend our holiday decorating our tree as a family.
Normally we buy ornaments wherever we travel for the year. 2020 has been very different, so we didn't really have to get any new ornaments, but we got this one because we got her
We'll be
puppy.
getting another one for our dog, Chia. Come here.
And this is Chia. From our families to yours. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays, everybody. It's been a rough year for us all, but as you can see, I've already started my holiday festivities. Got the lights going. I think I'm also going to, during this holiday season, take some time and maybe get some working out going on in there. But I'll probably also just take some time to relax, maybe read a book. Now, these guys have been having a rough season too, but I believe E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! Or I might just take some time, get myself bundled up, and do some good old-fashioned Christmas caroling. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Alright, enough of that. Happy holidays, everybody.
In the Lilly household, we don't do anything slow, and the holidays are no different. So, a year we would usually spend traveling from grandmom and grandpops to momom and pop-ups, and then back home is now going to be spent with us trying to slow down a little bit. As much as we can slow down.
Hey everyone, it's Jeremy here. Spending a whole lot of time at home, and good old Netflix there is keeping me quite entertained. Hopefully everyone has a safe and happy holidays and Merry Christmas.
We're celebrating distinctly this year by cuddling with our kitty cats and giving them extra sweaters. Look at this, they love it! They love it! They love it! What?
Hey, greetings friends and family.
Hi, ProtoCAM family.
We're here to wish everyone happy holiday. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday, and a special shout out.
How much we love you because it's so cold out here, and Douglas is making me do this.
To my son Ethan, to our son Ethan, turning 30 years old, and in your honor, we are here with the maiden voyage of the G-Force. So this is for you, buddy. Go Hawaii. Love you, Heather. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ethan.
And Jesus.
Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Okay, are you ready?
Hit it.
All right. I hope I don't mess this up. Okay, here we go. 1,
Got
2, 3,
two.
go! Oh no!
Oh.
Should I do it again?
Yeah, hit it. Hit it again. Go. There it is. We got smoke.
Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Ethan. Heather, we love you guys. We miss you. Mwah.